This 2024 Dutchmen Aspen Trail Loft 260 Loft is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, TV, air conditioning, water heater, microwave, refrigerator. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features loft, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Dutchmen Aspen Trail Loft 260 Loft is 7,620 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.